Hi, this is Charlie from Rubech IT, and welcome back to another Acumatica video. Today, we'll be taking a look at purchasing in Acumatica, demonstrating the system's ease of use and keeping your warehouses stocked. Let's start off by navigating to the Purchasing Manager dashboard. Here we can find a holistic overview of information relevant to purchasing, including pending orders, order statuses, turnover information, and product trends, as well as purchase suggestions. In our previous video on stock items, we showed the process of configuring this candle item, including its vendor, supplier, and price, as well as replenishment rules that dictate our reorder points. Since we didn't actually order any units in that video, we currently have 0 quantity available, and our system has flagged this item as requiring replenishment. The need to order column dictates that we should purchase 50 of these candles for stocking our wholesale warehouse. And by clicking on the need to order quantity here, we are directly brought to this prepare replenishment screen. This screen will give us an overview of all the items that require restocking in any given warehouse and can handle transfer and production orders as well. To execute our replenishment, we can simply put in our quantity, in this case 50, select the row, and click Process. This process can also be set to run on a schedule, such as every 24 hours, allowing you to automate your replenishment for stock items in your system. In this video, however, I'm going to take you through the process of manually creating a purchase order. Let's navigate to the Purchase Orders page and hit the plus button to create a new purchase order. Here I can select our vendor, being our AA vendor, and navigate to the Details section to add our candle item to the order. Notice the unit costs and vendor information have been automatically filled from their records in the system. Back on the Details page, I can put in our order quantity, which in this case we're going to go ahead with a quantity of 50. I'm going to go ahead and save this record. We have just created our purchase order, and now we can remove it from hold. After removing the hold, our purchase order is now pending approval, and we are met with an Approve and Reject button. Purchase order approval can be configured based on roles or individual employee credentials in your system, allowing you to define rules that ensure that purchase orders are being approved by the correct employee. For example, we could configure a rule that orders over $200 must be approved by a purchasing manager. So as the admin, I have the ultimate ability to approve this record at the moment, so let's go ahead and do so. Once I've approved the request, I can go ahead and hit these ellipses and navigate to the Print Purchase Order dialog in order to generate a copy of my purchase order to email to my customer. Additionally, purchase orders can be emailed directly to the vendor out of Acumatica using this Email Purchase Order dialog. Once we have received our order and the receipt from the vendor, we can click this Enter PO Receipt dialog, and now we are brought to the Purchase Receipts interface. Let's put in our vendor reference number for the receipt, say 111, and using the File tab in the top right, we can go ahead and upload a copy of the receipt directly from our file system on our computer. If you look in the bottom left, the system is currently displaying our available quantity in our inventory, reflecting that we have 0 available quantity of this candle item. However, once I press the Release button and confirm the receipt for our 50 ordered quantity, our inventory quantities have been updated based on the 50 units that we just received from our AA vendor. We have the option on the receipt to return the items if we would like to as well, but for the time being, we have just gone through the process of starting off with no quantity and triggering our replenishment notifications, placing our purchase order, and receiving our items into inventory in our Acumatica system. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos on Acumatica, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rubech IT, and if you want more information on how Acumatica can benefit your business, please send us an email at contact@rubech.tech and scan the QR code on screen to follow us on all our socials. Thank you again for watching, and have a great day.